Hi guys, my name is Shuli and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I have recorded a video and I thought what better than doing a haul video because I have been shopping a lot online these days and I thought I'll just share some of the items that I remember shopping in these past few weeks. So yeah, this is going to be a very random haul with makeup and skincare and some COVID-19 essentials, some supplements and a lot of that fiasco. So if you are interested to know what all did I buy, then please keep on watching. Before we start with this video, I would highly request you to go down and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We're so close to 3k. I wouldn't say so close, but yeah, we're close to 3k and it would be great if we could get there a little faster. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come up with a new video, and also share my videos with your friends if you want. So yeah, let's jump right in. So this is a lot of stuff from Amazon and Nykaa. I don't remember which is from where, but I'll definitely jump into my order history and link down all of this in the description box below. If I make a mistake by saying I bought this from Nykaa but I actually bought this from Amazon or vice versa or anything, any blunder like that, then please forgive me because it's very confusing. But yeah, let's just jump straight into it. I am a very tea person, okay? No, this is a very bad thing to say. I am a tea and coffee person. I like both. I love both. But I cannot choose. If you ask me which is better, I cannot choose, okay? Both of them serve different purposes in my life and I like all of them. But I have a lot of teas that I purchased this time. Some from Nykaa, some from Amazon. So I'm just going to show you what all I got. This is the Indian Chai Clear Skin Tea. As you can see, it just says here, Clear Skin Tea. So this I got from Amazon, I think. And it's great. Actually, I just got this. This has a green tea base. And I just wanted to up my green tea intake throughout the day so that I could actually curb some of my cravings. So that is why I was looking out for some good green tea. And as you can see, I have a lot of visitors at the moment. So I thought, why not invest into something that would detoxify and get rid of these. So I got this. I haven't had it long enough to tell you whether it worked or no. But I'll keep you posted if you want me to. Just put it down in the comments below and I would do it for you. So this is the first tea that I purchased. The next is this Twinings Cherry and Vanilla Green Tea. This is really great. This tastes really good. I really like these gourmet flavored teas. I have a lot of these. I drink a lot of these on a daily basis and I love how this one tastes. You should definitely give this a go. Twinings has a lot of different flavors like strawberry, cranberry, I don't know what not. You should definitely check them out. I will link it down for you. You might also get it in your nearby Hyper City, Big Bazaar, Nature's Basket and stuff. They'll definitely have Twinings. These are a little bit expensive as compared to the other teas available in the Indian market, but I think it's great. So yeah, this is the second one that I have. And then the next one is, I've not even opened it sealed yet. It's completely sealed. It's the Lipton Honey Lemon Green Tea. This is actually something I bought for my parents. They drink this every single day. They have something with the honey lemon variant. I don't know what. I drink it sometimes. I'm not a fan of it, but it's not bad. It's great. It's not really expensive. So, and it's also very easily available almost everywhere. So this is one more that I purchased. Now let's talk about some supplements that I have because they are not a lot, but they're there. So number one is this True Basics Omega-3 fish oil. I usually consume the Wow fish oils. That's just what I have been consuming for a very long time. But I thought I'll give this a go, and this was also on discount. And this also has a really great EPA and DHA ratio. If you don't know what that is, then you should put it down in the comments below. And I am going to do a video. I was anyway planning to do a video on the supplements that I take and the supplements that are actually good for you that you should invest in. So yeah, if you want me to do that, just put it in the comments below and I will do it for you. I have so much. I have so many ideas, but it's just, I'm not able to channel my thoughts in one place. So I will, slowly, steadily, I definitely will. But yeah, so this is the True Basics Omega-3 fish oil that I purchased. Then the next one that I have is from one of my favorite supplement brands, and that is Wow. It's the Wow Probiotics. I don't like to take these every day, but I definitely like to take these regularly. This really helps with gut health and all good things. So again, if you want a video, then put it in the comments below. Last supplement that I bought is actually this BCAA in the blue raspberry ice flavor, and that is what I'm actually drinking right now. I have been wanting this particular flavor for so long, but I usually don't buy my supplements online. I don't trust online. I mean supplements as in my fitness supplements like protein and BCAAs or EAAs or whatever. All those I don't buy online. But I really wanted this and I saw this in stock, so I thought to get my hands on this. And this really helps with craving control. Again, if you want a supplement video, you have to ask for it. I will put it out. No, don't ask for it. Just put it in the comments below and I will do it for you. Okay, let's get into some COVID-19 essentials. This is something that we cannot ignore, that you cannot complete your shopping without some COVID-19 essentials. So I'm going to show you the first thing that I purchased. Now I'm a little confused if I purchased it from Amazon or from Myntra. I'm very confused. I don't know where did I buy this from, but I'm going to still show it to you because I bought it. And I purchased this mask from Wildcraft. And why am I so excited about it is because of this camo print. Can you see the print? It's really nice. I mean, I really liked this one. And I thought I anyway needed a new mask because we all need masks. It's an essential now, just like your keys, wallet and your phone. So I thought I'll just buy this, and this print looks really nice. I don't remember where I bought this from. This could either be from Amazon or somewhere else, but wherever it is from, I will link it down in the description box for you. And the reason I really love this is because it comes with these that you can hook your mask into, you know, like this way, and this comes at the back of your neck so you don't strain your ears. And I think that's a really thoughtful thing, and that's a really good thing that they've done. So I've not used these yet. This is like complete new. But yeah, I'm really excited to use it, especially with the print. It looks so good. The next thing that I got is this germ kill spray. Okay, the reason I got this was to actually disinfect my phone and stuff when I go out and come back home. Or I used to actually go cycling. These Yulu bikes that are available in Navi Mumbai. I think I don't know where else are they available. So you can rent these cycles, and yeah, why purchase a cycle when you can rent it? So I was using that for my evening cardio sometimes. So I was using this. They actually already sanitize the vehicle, and the app tells you about it and all good things. But still, just for my peace of mind, I wanted to sanitize the handles and stuff before I actually touch them. So this was what I purchased. The next thing is this gigantic hand sanitizer, which is sealed, not open yet. This because everybody in my house is really crazy nowadays. They want like everything to be sanitized and clean, and these. I'm actually thinking to invest in some of the COVID-19 essentials that Nykaa is selling these days. I don't have any of you tried it. If you have, just put it in the comments. Just put it in the comments below and let me know if they're actually good and if they're worth the investment, and I definitely will try them then. Next, I have two face packs that I really wanted to try. I'm into the masking phase nowadays. I just like a lot of DIY masks or non-DIY masks, whatever I can get my hands onto. So I purchased this M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee face mask. I've used this once and it's actually really nice, at least for the first use. I'm going to use it a bit more and then maybe put a review or whatever to tell you my experiences with this. This is actually for normal to oily skin and it smells divine. It smells like chocolate and coffee and all good things. Then I also purchased this Nykaa Clay Cool Sebum Control Clay Mask. I've also used this one for the first use, no sebum control whatsoever, but it's a basic clay mask. I don't think one application of a clay mask can do anything extravagant for you. So then, as you can see, I'm using this metal straw. I've purchased a few of these from Amazon because I just like these. They look really nice and I wanted to use metal straws for the longest. So I thought, why not purchase them? And it's really hot. I like drinking like lemonades and iced teas and stuff, so why not? Also, there is no salon or parlors available, so I'm doing all of my grooming on my own. So you must have already seen my video on where I've shaved my face. So I purchased these from Amazon as well. I'm going to link this down in the description box below for you. I also got these really cute pair of gold colored tweezers. As you can see, I wanted these for my eyebrows, so I got these and I thought these were really cute. These were really inexpensive as well, as far as what I remember. So yeah, I got this from Amazon as well. It's great for eyebrow plucking and stuff. And you know what, honestly, I don't mind my eyebrows like these days. Like, I do them on my own and I don't think they're looking bad now, is it? What are your thoughts? Do you think they look okay? Okay, then I have some restocking that I did. This is the Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild. This is my favorite lipstick. I have used it in a lot of my videos. I have also included this in my top 10 nude lipsticks. If you haven't seen those, I'm going to put it down somewhere here or in the description box below. So you should watch it. This is one of my absolute favorite colors. So that is why I got this. And I also wanted to try the NYX lip lingerie in Exotic because I thought it's going to be very similar to this. But unfortunately, it's not. It's really bright and neon-y and I don't like it. But yeah, I also purchased this just to give this a go. I was out of mascaras and I wanted something fancy. So I got the Benefit Mini Roller Lash Mascara. I don't know what to think about this. I've not used it enough to have an opinion about it yet. But yeah, this is also something that I purchased. Also, when we're on the restocking matter, I went ahead and I purchased my Lakme Insta Liner again because I either lost mine or cannot find it anywhere in my vanity. I used to really like the color. I have not used my older one also at all, but I like the color and it's so inexpensive. And a friend of mine is doing a lot of these graphic liner looks nowadays and I'm really tempted to try those. So I had to repurchase this. This is great. If you're on a hunt of a good colored eyeliner, you should definitely go for this. It's so inexpensive. It's so good. You should buy it. Next, I purchased this one from Nykaa. I don't know what brand is this, but this is like a dual-ended brush. One side is this really nice angled brush, and then a spoolie. This I got for my eyebrows. So yeah, not bad. This is also kind of nice. I also purchased the Lakme 925 foundation. I purchased this a few weeks ago and the review is already up on my channel. If you haven't seen that already, what are you doing? I'll link it somewhere here or in the description box below. Do not forget to check that out. I have a lot of lipsticks, not a lot but a few. So I'm just going to go through them quickly. I don't want this haul to be really long. It's already so long. So I purchased these Lakme lipsticks that I have already reviewed on my channel. I'm going to link it down in the description box below, so you should go and see it. These are the... What are these, man? Forever Matte Liquid Lips. Really great. Go check out my review. I have also purchased another one from Lakme. This is the Matte Revolution lip color in Morning Coffee. I purchased this and I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried it out yet. I'm going to review this up pretty soon for you guys, so stay tuned. Then I also purchased a MAC lip gloss in this shade Spite. Really excited to try this. Haven't tried this out yet. I'm going to get back to you with how this is. Then I restocked this from Amazon again. This is Hyalur Gel. This is hyaluronic acid gel. I have talked about this in my top 5 under 500 video. I'll link it down in the description for you guys if you haven't checked that already. So I went through with my older one, so I purchased a new one. So this is what it is. Then I also purchased a nail paint which I'm already wearing on my nails here. It is Angelic, I believe. Oh no, this is Tender Lavender by K Beauty by Katrina. It's a very nice, very pastel kind of a nail paint and I really liked it, so I thought to give this a go. Really cute, really nice. And one thing that I'm really excited for that I'm going to open and I'm going to show you, because yeah, I purchased this Faces Ultime Pro cream blush. So this color looks really scary like that, but blended out it looks very pretty and I'm really excited to actually try this on my cheeks. I haven't yet tried it, so yeah, I'm going to try it soon and maybe let you guys know how did this fare for me. Let's try it in a makeup video soon. I haven't done makeup looks also in a very long time. So I'm a really big fan of non-alcoholic underarm roll-ons or perfumes or whatever, because alcohol tends to make your underarms darker and I already have dark underarms, so I'm trying to work on them to kind of lighten them up or make them at least look clean. Because of the darkness they don't look clean, you know. So I have always been a big fan of the Nivea roll-ons. I have been using them for years now. I've used all of them, but I just recently saw this on Nykaa and I was really excited to try this. This is the Dio Milk Beauty Elixir with 0% alcohol, vitamins and minerals and God knows what not. So I'm really excited to try this and that is why I purchased this one. So it looks pretty fancy. Let's see now how this fares. So we're down to the last, I think, 3 items as far as what I can see. I don't know if I've missed out on something. Oh, I have missed out. So we're down to the last few items and I'm just going to get over this quickly. This is, I think, my 3rd or 4th oil during this quarantine. I purchased a lot of these all throughout these few months, and this was actually something that my mom used to use a lot. I hate it because of how terrible it smells, but trust me, this is a very good oil. This is the Indulekha Neem oil. This is a very good oil. I am going to review this pretty soon on my channel. Stay tuned for that. You're going to really want to try this out and I'll tell you why in a video coming out sooner than soon. So yeah, I actually purchased 2 of these together, but I can't find the other one. This is the Neem one and I have the other normal one that my mother uses. So yeah. Then I also restocked on my Laneige lip sleeping mask. I had the smaller one earlier, the 500 rupee one, but this time I got the bigger one because I really liked it so much and it's like an addiction. I cannot not sleep without using these. My lips feel very bad if I don't use it. So I got this again. Then I actually wanted to start writing my thoughts down or my manifestations or my aspirations or whatever. So I actually wanted to channel my thoughts. I've been in a chaos completely and a lot of people suggested that I start journaling, and I myself wanted to start a journal of my own where I write things, you know, whatever I feel, whenever I feel low or whenever I feel disheartened, sad, or whenever I feel even motivated. It's just not for the bad, it's for the good and for the bad. So I purchased this journal from Amazon. I really like it. It's really plain, it's nothing fancy, but I just love the cover and it says she believed she could, so she did, and I really liked it. So I purchased this and I've already started writing a little bit, like not too much, but yeah, I purchased this from Amazon and I really liked it. It's very inexpensive as well. So that's that. Then ooh, and the last 2 items that I want to show you that are my holy grail again is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This time I've got like a giant pack. I used to always get the one smaller than this, but then I thought, jab itna lagana hi hai, to why invest in the smaller one and rather just get the big one. I was actually going to get the 1 liter one, but it was just not available. It was out of stock, I think, the time that I wanted to buy it. It's very good. So yeah, I got this, and I also wanted to try a new moisturizer. So I got this one from Cetaphil. This is the moisturizing lotion. Not a fan of this at all, but this is my favorite. It's my holy grail. But even this is failing to rid me of these at the moment. But yeah, I think that's about it now, isn't it? Oh no. And last but not the least, I also purchased the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. This is my favorite. I have not used any other sunblock, I don't know, in the past 5 years or 4 years now. This is absolutely the best for oily skin, and I can't recommend this enough. So if you're on a hunt for a new sunblock and you have oily skin, then you should definitely go for this. No white cast, nothing. You won't break out because it's completely non-comedogenic. It's great. So yeah, I go through these out a lot because I use it a lot. So yeah, I had to repurchase this, and I think that's it. So that was my extremely random haul. I have a lot of things here, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed my extremely random, extremely lengthy haul. And if you have any video requests, then please put it in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to do them for you. And I'll see you in my next, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.